Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and on today's video I'm with Grumpy Jim, and we're in Newburyport, Massachusetts. This place is such a historic place here in New England. I love coming here. If you're new to my channel, I do car videos, I do travel videos, I do life experiences videos. We're gonna go around downtown. It's a quiet day, it's 65 degrees. And just check out Newburyport with us. I'm gonna get the drone up and get a lot of nice views. The next videos that are coming up for me, I have a couple car videos. I have a 2013 Subaru CrossFit. I have a 2011 Honda Fit Sport. So until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.
Andreas. I'm the owner of Stone Crust Pizza here in Newburyport, downtown Newburyport. And we try to do everything handmade, handcrafted, slices, pizzas, salads. We customize everything, whatever to your needs. We got this beautiful, amazing oven. It is a stone deck, which most places should use. And yeah, we would love for you guys to come by and try us out right here in Newburyport. Thank you.